Welcome to Intellectus LitReview, an innovative tool that makes research synthesis more efficient and insightful. Start by uploading academic works into your library. You can enter a tag name to help organize your files. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, or text files to the tool. Click Upload and the system will begin processing your files. Once all of your files have uploaded, you will be provided with a quote based on the number of files selected. Then you can proceed to checkout. After checkout, your files will be processed in the background. In this step, the tool is extracting important information and citations to prepare for the literature review draft. This step usually completes in just a few minutes, but may take longer depending on the number of files uploaded. Feel free to close your browser while your files are processing. We will send you an email notification when your files are ready. Once your files have finished processing, you can create your literature review draft. Simply click the Generate Draft button to begin. Name your draft, enter your research questions, select the works you would like to include, and move them to the Selected Works section. Once you've made your selections, click Next. After confirming your selections, click Start Drafting. After starting the draft generation process, you will be taken to the draft view. In the background, your works are being analyzed using machine learning algorithms and statistics to combine them into meaningful groups. As the draft populates, you'll see the groups of included works listed in a table of contents to the left. If you'd like, you can turn off the auto scroll option and start reading your draft. Creating a full literature review draft can take a few moments, so you can also close this tab and come back later if you'd like. We'll email you a notification once the draft is complete. Your draft includes article groups, a synthesis of each group, and a summary of each article included in the group. The draft also addresses the gaps found in the literature. Once complete, download the document and begin to critically evaluate the draft. Add scholarly insights and put it in your own voice. What typically takes researchers weeks to complete, we've done in a few minutes, allowing you to dedicate more critical time and intellectual energy to the design, execution, and profound critical discussion of your unique research.